Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Who wouldn't love an all-time classic, best chocolate brownies? Yes, you didn't hear me wrong. This is going to be the best chocolate brownies that you've ever had. It's crispy, it's gooey, it's fudgy, it's rich, it's chocolatey, and most importantly, it's gonna blow your mind. Well, a good brownie actually requires a crunch at the top, as well as fudgy and gooey in the middle. This recipe gives you the best of both worlds. Oh, but just talking about it makes me salivating. Can't wait to have one right now. So, let's get started.
First of all, prepare the ingredients as follows. Now, you want to make sure that you get a good quality chocolate, as it is the key and soul to a good, rich, chocolatey brownie. Right, now, heat your vegetable oil in a pot with low heat. Then, gently stir in your chocolate until it's completely melted. On the other hand, whisk your eggs in a clean bowl. Next, add in your sugar. Well, in this recipe, I'm using 2 types of sugar, and I find it gives out the best texture of fudgy and gooey brownies in the middle and this crispy layer on the top. Next, add in some salt, coffee powder, as well as some vanilla essence. Now, you may be wondering, why coffee? Well, I can't really explain the theory behind it, but I find a little hint of coffee powder actually brings out the rich chocolate flavor even better. Then, pour in your chocolate mixture and stir well. On the other hand, combine your sifted flour and your chocolate powder and give it a good mix. Now, I want my brownies to be really rich, and that's why I'm going all out to be using chocolate powder and chocolate. Then, add in the combined dry ingredients into the wet batter and mix well. And that's it. Pour your batter into a lined cake pan. Here I'm using a 7-inch square pan. Then, pop them into the preheated oven and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Oh, just look at them. Beautifully baked brownies with the super crispy crunchy layer on the top. Can't wait to dig in! It's so good that I can finish the whole tray by myself and not even feeling guilty about it at all. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.